Hi, this is Caroline, always reminding you that you are created beautifully. I really hope this inspires you to go ahead and pull out your makeup and get ready for your Thanksgiving meal. Today I have this very glam Thanksgiving, Christmas, holiday, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa look for you, and I hope that some of you guys will try this out. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, turn on your notifications, and share this video. And if you are curious at all on how I did this look, please continue watching. I'm gonna go into the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I'm gonna take this color with a big fluffy dome brush, this orange color here. And I'm gonna take this right above my crease area. And I really want this to be very blown out, so I am not using a heavy hand at all. I'm just trying to distribute some color to warm up this look. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful Thanksgiving. This is a Thanksgiving glam look that I'm doing, but you could definitely wear it out, still fall appropriate. Like the placement of that color. We are using the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. We're gonna do a ton of colors from in here. This is the palette that we're gonna be mostly using. Taking my 237 brush, I'm going in with this color here, Zulu. I'm picking that right up on the tip. And then what I wanna do is start the color here in my outer V, and I'm gonna use a circular motion, or most of the color here at the outer V. We're not doing the windshield wiper today because I really want to concentrate a lot of the color on the outer V. And then whatever is left, I'm gonna bring it up halfway of my eye. Going into my crease, but a little bit above because I'd like it to be visible. Now you wanna do this a couple of times. I always do my foundation last because of fallout, and also because I just want to be pretty messy while I'm applying it. That's what makeup wipes are for. This is my third time going in. Next, we are going to take this beautiful burnt brown, has that red undertone, which is Ada. Using the same brush, place this right on top of that color. Again, concentrating this right on the outer V, and we will bring it up. I'm just going to go in with the fluffy brush, and I just want to make sure I'm blending out all these colors so that there are no harsh lines. Now, before we go any further, I'm going to go back into the Zulu palette, and I'm going to take that orange again. Just want to add that right back on top because I really want that to show through. Now we are going to cut the crease. We're going to do a half cut crease, and I'm going to attempt to make twins. So I'm taking my concealer, and I'm going to focus it on the base first, right near my lash line. Then I'm going to slowly go to where I want to cut it. Now, when I get to this part, I'm just going to use my finger, blend it into that color. You can see it's already starting to blend. I'm going to set that. The flat shader brush, first color I'm going to take is Giza. And I'm going to put that right in my inner corners, trying to get as close as I can to where that concealer and that cut crease is, just to sharpen that look. Next, this is the color that I would probably have started with, which is Dahlia. I don't even know if I'm saying these colors right. But this color right here is money right here. I love it. It's so, so pretty. And again, I'm going to take that all the way up and kind of help those two colors together. And the final color that we're going to use is this very beautiful, sparkly Casablanca. Look how these just melt together. Like, this is such a beautiful palette. I know that the Juvia's Place palettes have been on the market for so long. I'm just late to the party. Okay, so let's go ahead and really darken in our outer V. So we're gonna go back in and do the same steps. We're gonna go back and forth from Ada to Zulu, and we're just gonna darken that in. Now I'm just going in, fluffy dome brush, blend out any harsh lines. For the fun part, I did decide to go more glam for this Thanksgiving look. Super cheap, $6. NYX glitter primer. Add that glitter on top of that stark white. Today I'm using a NYX glitter. It's MGL104. I'm gonna tap some of that into the lid, and then I'm just gonna place that right where the glue is. Really concentrating that. Putting that glitter right there on top. Really like how that looks. Now the eyes are pretty much done. I am gonna line it. I'm using mink lashes, which I'm not really used to wearing mink lashes. They're so heavy. I have a very like wispy Adele type lashes, you know, that's what I really work. This glam look, I just thought it was appropriate to use mink lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up with a wipe. Going in with my Epic Ink by NYX, I'm just gonna line the top of my eyes. And while that is drying, I'm just gonna go in with my gel liner, line my waterline. I'm also just gonna line the top of my eyes too. So I'm gonna add my lashes on, then we will do the rest of my face and we will finish up this look. I'm going through this very crazy decision, like if I should cut my hair or if I'm going through the growing process. And the part that you don't like about the growing process is that in between, because it just looks funky and crazy and you just don't want to cut it. Comment below. I'm curious what my viewers think. Should I go back to like my pixie cuts or should I grow it out? My hair, honestly, I'm Tongan, Polynesian. Polys have beautiful, beautiful, thick and curly hair. Like, I don't know what happened with my genes. I'm basically bald. I've never truly had very long hair, which is so sad. Sucks to be me. Bling, bling, bling. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of this look. You guys know I'm gonna speed this right through. Enjoy the music. Lovejoy by MAC. For my brow bone area, in these palettes, they don't really have something that's close to my actual skin tone. So I'm going with my Naked palette and I'm just gonna take the color Naked, place that right in my brow bone area. I'm gonna use Rekindle again. All right, let's finish up the eyes. I want this very smoked out, a medium blending brush, and I'm gonna go in first with the color Ada. I'm gonna bring that color way down. A chisel shader brush. I'm gonna go in Fulani, very close to my lash line. And I'm just gonna place that on the outer half of my eye. Use the Urban Decay All Nighter. I am gonna go in with my favorite red. We are gonna go dark. We are gonna go dark. We're gonna go vamp. So this is Roach by ColourPop. This is a liquid lipstick. Super beautiful. I had this on my favorite reds lipsticks. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I will put that right above. This is the final look. I hope you guys all enjoy this. This is definitely holiday appropriate. I would totally rock this for Christmas as well. I probably would go in with more of a cranberry instead of all the browns, but I think it's perfect. I hope that some of you guys will try this look out. Happy Thanksgiving. It is 2018. I am so super thankful for the opportunity to restart this YouTube channel. I'm just so thankful for this year is that I took a leap of faith. I didn't know if I could do this. I didn't know if I could stay committed to the channel. I didn't know which direction I wanted to take this channel. I have so many interests. Probably doing it the opposite way of growing your channel. You can go through my playlist. I have cleaning tutorials, product reviews, makeup tutorials. I vlog. On my channel, I'm basically doing all of my interests. Proclaiming to the world that everyone's created beautifully. It's not about the makeup. It's not about what we do. It's really who we are. And I know what the name of my channel means. It is coming. It's definitely going to come before the end of the year. I'm just trying to, you know me in grammar. You know me in grammar. I'm trying to articulate it to where the most people can understand it. Thank you so much if you are a returning subscriber, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, turning on your notifications, and sharing this video. As always, God bless you. Bye.